In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy HTML code from an email within Hubspot. Whether you're trying to replicate an email design or simply want to analyze its structure, understanding how to extract the HTML is a valuable skill. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To start, you'll need to head over to the Hubspot homepage. Open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. This site serves as the central hub for all your HubSpot activities and tools, so it's important to familiarize yourself with it if you're not already. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the page and you'll spot the Login button. Clicking Login will prompt you to enter your credentials, make sure your password is secure and that you keep it confidential, adhering to best practices for digital security. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is essentially your dashboard where you can access various tools and functionalities HubSpot offers. From here, let's focus on the upper navigation bar where you'll see a tab labeled Marketing. Clicking on Marketing reveals a drop-down menu showcasing a variety of marketing tools available at your disposal. Look out for the email option and click on it. The next screen displays a list of all the emails you've created or have access to. Browse through the list, and once you find the specific email whose HTML code you need, direct your attention to the Actions button, typically to the right of the email subject. Clicking Actions will present more options, and from there you'll choose View Email. This brings up the email preview. The idea here is to highlight the entire content. So click on the email content area once, which should activate the text or element selection feature. After highlighting, your next task is crucial. Right click anywhere within the highlighted area and from the context menu that appears, select View Page Source. This step is pivotal as it grants you access to the underlying HTML code of your email. At this stage, a new tab or window, depending on your browser settings, opens up displaying the page's source code. This is where you'll find the HTML code. Scroll through the source code, paying close attention to the tags and structure. You can now copy this code to your clipboard, either by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or by using keyboard shortcuts. That wraps up the process of copying HTML code from an email in HubSpot. By following these steps, you are now equipped to gather HTML and utilize it for your own projects or learning. Take your time to explore the tags and structure. You might find insightful elements to incorporate into your own designs or marketing strategies. Thanks for watching and happy coding.